Welcome to this peaceful express crafting movement. Today we have more than just decoration. We weave a story about jute, about handmade beauty, and about the quiet, gentle magic of doing things with love. So take a deep breath, let your shoulder relax, and let's step together to a cozy little world. The world of jute crafters. In a small village shaped by pine trees and wrapped in a winter soft mist, there lived a humble crafter named Lena. Lena didn't have many tools, no fancy machines, no expensive decor supplies, just her hands, strong, warm, and full of care, and a single spool of jute rope, coarse, natural golden brown, simple and yet full of possibility. Every year, when Christmas came close, the whole village decorated their homes with shiny lights and glittering ornaments from the town market. But Luna, she created her decorations from nature, from pine cones fallen in the woods, from branches kissed by forest, from jute rope she braided slowly, strand by strand. Her craft did not shout beauty, they whispered it. And here is where our story meets us because we live in a world that moves quickly. We rush, we compare, we chase, but crafting with Jude teaches us something different. It teaches us to slow down, to feel textures, to breathe, to create the peace instead of pressure. So, as we begin crafting today, whether you are wrapping a jar with jute rope or making a small X-Mix star or trying to gather pine cones into a wreath, let each movement to be gentle. Let your hands know they are enough. Let your heart be present. This is not just decoration, this is mindfulness, this is grounding, this is love made visible. Lena's gift. Back to our story. One winter, a heavy snowstorm hit the village. Shop closed, roads froze, and people worried. How will we decorate for Christmas this year? The village looked empty, bare, without its usually sparkle. But Lena, she smiled softly. She walked in the forest with her wool shawl wrapped tight, gathered pine cones, dried berries, twigs, cinnamon sticks, and returned home to her warm little table. She boiled water for tea, she hid a lined lamp, and slowly, lovingly, she began crafting. She wrapped a glass jar with jute rope, turning it into a glowing lantern. She tied jute and pine cones together into a wreath. She made tiny trees with the rolled paper and twine. Her hands moved with patience, with purpose, with joy, and soon her smile home filled with warm golden beauty. On Christmas evening, Lena stepped outside carrying a basket filled with her handmade decor. She didn't announce anything. No grand speeches, no explanation. She simply began placing her jute craft around the village squares. One lantern on a window, one wreath on a door, one handmade ornaments on a tree branch. And slowly the village woke up to something new. No glitter, no glamour, but warmth. The kind of warmth that reminded you of family, of memories, of home. The people gathered. They touched the jute craft and feel something they had not felt in a long time. Peace. One elder smiled and said, these decorations do not shine the brightest, but they shine the deepest. Now, as you continue your craft today, remember Lena's messages. Christmas is not just about how much you buy, it's about how much love you tie into the thing you make. Every knot in the jute rope, every loop you twist, every pine cones you place is a small act of care. You are not just decorating your home, you are decorating your spirit. So breathe, feel the texture of the jute, move slowly, enjoy the quiet magic of your hands at work. And when the craft is finished, hold it gently in your hands. Look at it. This is not just a decoration, this is a memory you created, a calm moment and honored, a whisper of beauty you brought into the world. Like Lena, you have taken something simple, she made it meaningful. This is a true spirit of X-Max. Thank you for crafting with me today. Make your as Thank you for crafting me today. May your Christmas be warm, mindful, and filled with gentle handmade love. Stay peaceful, stay creative, and keep weaving your world with kindness. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. May your home fulfilled with craft, love, and happiness togetherness. Thank you for watching me today.